Hey guys, so we're putting on the TPS today to see if the rough shifting will go away. How much was that part?
$15 online. 1 day shipping. Might want to come over here.
Okay. I know where I'm walking. All over everything.
Right down here on the side of the throttle body, you got the throttle body position sensor. Two little screws, Torx. T20. That'll give us much room to work with. But enough.
Got plenty of room. Big old V8. And you get one of those brand new trucks with the V8 and forget about it. There's no room in there to work.
Click, click. Click, click.
What, are you torquing it?
Yep. Click, click. Click, click.
Without using a torque.
Now we're looking for the wire that goes back there.
That's hanging over here. No, it's hanging over by you.
Where?
Isn't it? Right there? No,
There it is, there it is.
Yeah.
Blend it in.
All wires look alike.
Let's run it under this vacuum hose. Oh, you tripped over the tube and crushed it.
Oh, did it? Crush the
Exhaust airflow.
I don't know how many vehicles I've had that didn't have any of this still attached to it.
I'll be doing more work than necessary. So, go back in, yonder. Just line everything up, feed that down in there. Around your hose.
Nice and dirty.
Dirty air filter back in. Top to the front. Arrow on top to the front.
Well, at least those weren't on the ground. They would have gone flying.
Always face the nuts parallel with the truck for better airflow.
Is that true?
No.
Must be an OCD thing. Alright, well, moment of truth. I'll start it up and see if it's sluggish. Gotta read it first. Oh, what was that? Oh, frog was hanging out. I don't know, frog. Does it sound like it's slugging like it was before?
I mean, it still sounds funny.